Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a silverware basket clip in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged, broken, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So we'll get our basket out of the way here, and we can just set that right there, and you'll see our two basket clips. So in order to get our broken one off, all you have to do is just twist it and pull it right off. Now grab your new OEM replacement basket clip, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And you're going to want to make sure that it's just on the same level as your other clip, so this one's on the second one up above. And so we're just going to line that up, and we'll push it against that corner tine right there, and then it should snap right into place. So now we'll put our basket back on, and the way you're going to want to do that is so these front doors on the basket face the dish rack. So then once you've got it lined up, the little notches will sit right in that clip right there, just like that. Then you can close it up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.